Yo, this is your boy Malachi's Earth again and again and again and again and again, cuz this video is going to be about the movie I saw yesterday, which you already can tell by the title, Incredibles 2 with my boy Mozzie, you feel me? And again, check out his channel. It is MXAZZI, then MALLZ. Go check that joint. I'll probably have it in my description to make it easier for y'all. But yo, we saw the movie Incredibles 2. Alright, yo, when's the next one coming out? And I was like, alright, waiting for it, you know. This one has you blasted off. Like, yo, like, what just happened? I mean, this one, they should have a 3. I'm gonna tell you now. They should have a 3. This was off the charts, for real, for real. I couldn't say nothing better. It was crazy. I'm not gonna be a spoiler alert and tell you guys what happened, because I know my brother's seeing it today. I think he already saw it, but he didn't. Some adults think like, oh, I'm gonna tell my friends I saw it. I'm like, dude, like, just go and see it. Like, yeah, I might have to take my kid. You don't have to take your kid. Just go watch it, dude. Especially, it's basically for anybody. It's a family movie. An adult. It has adults, superheroes. Especially if you have superheroes in it. Like, might as well go see it. You feel me? If you didn't already see Infinity War, I suggest you just go see this one. You feel me? This was crazy. I feel like the movie gave it an up boost for it to be a 3. Like, it has to have a 3. If it doesn't, then I don't know what's gonna happen. But this one was like unpredictable. I like unpredictable movies. This one had different changes and different scenes that you would never know would come up in the movie. Like I can't tell you. I was about to tell you. Yeah, you caught me. I wasn't gonna tell you. No. But go see it. I suggest you go see it. This is not an ad at all. This is just go see that shit. Go see it. Man, bro, it was a hard movie. I don't know what else to say. Me and my boy Mozzie saw, we had us cracking up, laughing, and all that stuff. And what I want you guys to go do, I'm sorry for changing the subject, go subscribe to my Yngr&b channel. It's an artist channel. Other than just making videos, I do music. It's YNG&B, not the actual ands, A-N-D, but the signs. It's Yngr&b. I have my own music box. You'll see everything. It won't be hard to find. And yeah, check out my music on there. Please subscribe to it, because a brother's making dope music, and I'm coming out with an album soon, which if you see this, you'll know that I'm making an album. If you go watch this video, like, comment, do everything. That's basically it. The movie was dope, yo. Go see it. I mean, like I said, if you didn't see Infinity War and you want to see this, go and see it, because this was crazy. So thank you. Subscribe, like, comment below. Hopefully you watch this video and recommend it to somebody that needs to watch a new up-and-coming YouTuber, because I speak what comes and will happen. So thank you guys for watching this video, and subscribe, like, and comment. Alright, magic effect. Oh.